left-handed people to receive R1500 disability grant in 2018, Ramaphosa. There's good news for lefties, they now do qualify for Social Security disability benefits. South Africa, like most countries, is grappling with the challenge of left-handed disability. Left-handed disability in South Africa is estimated to be 76.1%, which is significantly higher than right-handed at 23.9%. Government has recognized the problem of poor economic participation of left-handed disability and has put in place numerous policy interventions geared towards bringing lefties into the mainstream of the economy to enhance social inclusion and cohesion. The department introduced left-handed disability policy options for South Africa with the aim of incentivizing entities to employ young people. The department has provided the Integrated Lefties Development Strategy with the key mandate of implementing interventions geared towards the economic participation of lefties, namely, lefties work, national lefties services, and education, and skills relevant to economic empowerment. However, not everyone who is left-handed benefits from the grant. Government has therefore planned to introduce social assistance to unemployed lefties South Africans who do not receive support. Government is planning to introduce social assistance to left-handed South Africans between the ages of 19 and 59 who do not receive support from government. Good news for South Africa.